Hello and welcome back. This is a coin hunt and I've called it Mixed Coins 2, and we start off with a 1 penny from George the 5th, sorry, George the 6th. It's dated 1942, however it's not a UK penny, it's an Australian penny. It has a kangaroo on the back. It also has the year and valuation and the country name. The mintage for this 1942 penny is 12,245,000. Next, we have two £1 coins from the Isle of Man. One is dated 2017, one is dated 2018. I'm showing them together, so we've got the Queen's portrait on this side and we have the reverse on this side. There is no mintage for either 2017 or 2018 for the two coins. The obverse shows a portrait of Her Majesty the Queen and also the fact that it's from the Isle of Man. On the reverse you have the Triskelion at the bottom here, and you have two birds of prey, two birds, and you have a 1 at the top indicating £1. The two birds are, let's get these the right way round, he says, the one on the right as you are presently looking, i.e. this one, is a raven, and the one on the left is a bird of prey and it's a peregrine falcon. The peregrine is used quite frequently on coins from the Isle of Man. Whoops, then it's currently the £1 coin. Of course, as you saw, they're both the round pound ones. Next one is from Jersey from 1979. It's a 10p and this side shows the shield of Jersey. On the reverse is a 10p denomination. It's the old size. It's from 1979. It shows the Jersey cow and the mintage is 20,000. And this is the second lowest coin, the lowest being 1981, mintage wise. Next we have probably the smallest coin in this particular video, and this is a 1 coin from Norway. It is from 1981. It has a crowned monogram of, I can't make my own writing out there. Anyway, on the back we have the 1 I think at this time it was all after the 5th, but don't quote me on that. It is a 10, it is a 1 coin. It is, on this show you have the value and the year on this reverse, and the mintage was 2 million coins. The next one is a bit of a rarity. I'll put them both there, they're both this side up. These are from 1936, both of them are. They're for East Africa and they're a 5-cent valuation. They have a hole in the centre, and the difference with these ones are that on this side, on the crown side, you can see that it's made and it has the regnal name of Edward VIII. Now, there were two places minting this coin in 1936. One was the King's Norton Mint, and that one was 2,150,000. And then on the Heaton Mint there was 3,500,000. I haven't yet found where the mint mark is on these coins, but when I do I will update you. So quite rare. Few of the Commonwealth countries at that time did actually make coins with Edward VIII's name on it. However, UK didn't. The next one is a South Korean coin, and it has a value of 51. It's from 1996, and it is on the rear. On this side, on the obverse, you have the value and South Korean writing, and then on this side you have a wheat ear, or an ear of wheat, sorry, not an ear of rice rather than wheat, and it is an FAO designated coin in 1996. FAO is the agricultural organisation from the United Nations. The mintage for this coin is 52 million. The next one is probably the oldest coin in this particular hunt. It is a 1 cash from China. It was produced somewhere between 1644 and 1645. It is a hold coin in the centre. There is no known mintage for these. There's Chinese symbols on both sides, on all 4 sides of the hole on the one side, and then top and bottom on this side. Nobody knows the exact value or exactly when these were, but they, as I say, the estimate is 1644-45 is the most obvious time for these to have been minted. We then go to New Zealand. On this side we have the Queen's obverse. On the Queen is on the obverse side with the year of 1976. On the rear we have the value of 1 cent and the white fern, and the white fern goes from the bottom and wraps away all around the top. The mintage of this coin from 1976 is 20,027,000. This one is a German. It's a 1 Pfennig coin. It has a D mint mark from 1950. The D mint is Munich. On the obverse you have the oak leaf cluster, the oak leaf stem, plus the year, which is 1950, and then on the rear you have the 1 Pfennig surrounded by the wheat ear. The mintage for this 1950 coin is 772,592,000. The last but one is probably one of my favourite coins for this of this hunt, and this is a 10 Yao. It's from 2018, and it was minted to commemorate the Year of the Dog, which is one of the last of the creatures to reach the Emperor's side. The mintage for this 2018 coin is 350 million. The dog looks very much like a poodle, and it has the Chinese lamp in the top, or Chinese lamp type shade at the top here. And the last coin of this hunt, or the last coin of this review of mixed coins, is from Jordan. It's from 1924, King Hussein. It's 10 fils. You have the portrait of the king on the front, and on the back you have the value in a cartouche, a round cartouche, and then you have vine leaf or vine going around the outside of it. The mintage for this 1924 coin is 10 million. And that ends this hunt. Let's just What I will say is thank you very much for joining me on this hunt, and if you've enjoyed it, would you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost a second of your time, and it will help me out immensely, because that, alongside you also subscribing to the channel, will help me get my videos put in front of other people with the algorithm that YouTube uses. I know that there are a portion of you who do watch the video on a regular basis but have not yet subscribed to the channel, so I'm appealing to you to, if you have enjoyed my videos, that you think seriously about joining. I am going to try and get my subscription level up to over 100 subscribers this year. So I do 4 videos a week. Hopefully you will find at least one video a week that you enjoy watching. In the meantime, from me, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you can find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching, and bye bye. Ta-da now. Bye.